Hi, it's Dennis here from Kirwan Mazda. Today I'll be explaining some of our cruise control functions on our Mazda vehicles. Starting from the mode button, that's where you'll first start the cruise control. That turns on your function, and then you'll see on both your heads-up display and your digital display in the middle of which mode you're in. In terms of the cruise control, you get to your desired speed and you flick these two buttons to vary your speed up and down. You have the middle button resets the cruise control. Moving on to our left, this is where the Mazda Radar Cruise Control function buttons are. Every line here represents a car length. That's the easiest way to explain it. When you select those buttons here, they will show up on your heads-up display and on your middle display. So the Mazda Radar Cruise Control only activates from 30 kilometers. So we're at 38 at the moment. We've set it to 2 car lengths. And as we can see from the car in front, I'm not touching the physical brake. The car is braking by itself. So with your Mazda Radar Cruise Control, if you decide that you want to move it down, it's operated through these buttons here, where you can select your speed to go higher up or further down, and reset pretty much resets your cruise control. Our next mode, the limiter mode. If you accelerate, you're only going to go to the allocated limiter speed. In order to cancel your cruise control, you have 2 ways. The first one being putting your foot on the brake. Your second option being the cancel off button on the right hand side of your steering wheel, which turns off the feature. We hope this video helped you today to further explain how the Mazda Radar Cruise Control function works on our Mazda range. And happy motoring!